children. I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with the Cap. Today we will study Chapter 2 Different Shapes. Chapter 2 Different Shapes from Art and Activity Skill Book. Take out your white and green color book. Now have a look to our worksheet. Identify the shapes and color them neatly as shown. In this worksheet, you have to see different shapes like circle, triangle, rectangle and square. Take out your crayons. Take out your crayons. First, we have to take green color. Start doing green color. Now, yellow color. Yellow. And do it neatly. Do it neatly and properly. Fill the gaps. Red color. Now again green color. And fill the gaps. Blue color. Which color is this? Blue. Next turn is of purple color. Start doing purple color. And fill the gaps. Again. I don't have pink color, that's why I'm using this, but you have to take your pink color. I hope you all are doing Completed fast. Completed fast. I hope you enjoyed a lot and learned different shapes. Happy learning. See you soon in the next class.